In this video, you are going to see how to print title in every page in Microsoft Excel. Let us select this data, press Ctrl P to print it. Here, this is the first page and this one the second page, but you will see the header row is not showing over here. If I print it, the header row will be only on page, but from the second page the header row will not be printed. So what I have to do actually, let us click on anywhere, go to page layout, under the page setup click on print titles. Let us go to the option row to repeat at top and select this top row and just click on OK. Now if I press Ctrl P, you will see here is the first page and header is showing over here. If I go to the second page or the third page, in all the pages the header row has been appeared. If I print it, the header row will be visible in each and every pages. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.